Hello friends, I'm going to show you this awesome doll, and before starting I also want to tell that please, there's a little job for you, a small one. Hit the like button, subscribe and hit the bell button, and at the last you will have a bonus of course. And see my video of that pretty girl Barbie, that's also awesome, you must. Okay, let's open it. Thanks. 2 pills. And this container is empty, of course. But can I get it? No. Just for normal. And there's also a syringe. Oh, there's also a hole. Wait a minute. Is there any holes? Wait a minute. I need to see it first. Nope, nowhere to be seen, but you can see her awesome, gorgeous hair, so thick. And I have a riddle. Do you know who's this princess is? If no, then I can help you, but not like this, like a riddle. Wanna know the riddle? Of course, I will tell you now. And whoever gets the right answer or thinks it's right, leave the answer in the comment below. Okay, then the first, its name starts with A and ends in L. She sacrifices her voice to find her real love and her love thought, and she even made an witch and get legs, but whenever she touches water she has some red tail. Tell me who is this in the comment below. Okay, I told you, and see, there's a small pony here and her whole hair is opened, as you can see. Awesome thick and red hair, love it. There was also another princess, Aurora, but I like this princess more. And look at that, I'm helping you. Her name is Ariel. Remember, she sacrifices her voice for her true love. You can see there 2 of them in the boat. You remember that part? And the witch tries to separate them at that time with some fishes. You must. And see this awesome dress, just like glitter here, some, and the net over here, and some sequins here. It's just like this. You can see, or like this. Yep, like this. Like, see her? Awesome. And guess what? Her boots can be opened. Her boot is a white sneaker with some laces designs on. What's it shown? I don't know. But just see her tiny feet. But time for the doctor checkup. Yes, doctor. Okay, wait. Now they also give me these glasses that are together, but I want to separate them. Be separate. I tell be. Wait a minute. Look at that. Time for some magic. As my magic works, you can see her glasses, and there's a clip so it bees together like this, but I really did it. My magic helped me, so I don't want my magic to sacrifice again, but I think it's too big for the Dolly. Oh, it's for us. Just see. just I'm one. Friends, it went like this and no glasses in the eye. Oh, now just let's go to the. I literally forgot to tell you one thing. This her awesome eyes with your eyes are just like ocean because she's an ocean girl, mermaid. Remember? She loves her friends, that's why she become an human to find her. So sweet. Our little mermaid. And her name is not only Ariel. Even we call her Little Mermaid. So cute eyes with blue, yellow and blue. Awesome. And she is wearing this eyeliner and mascara and light brown eyebrows. And her awesome pink cute lips and a tiny nose. Okay, so I am a doctor. So time for it. You can see these. Time for it to wear. But my ears are too small for wearing it. Okay, then you wear Barbie. You are a doctor, right? Right. But I think it's too big for you. And for me, it's too small. Then I'm going to show you. Oh, it goes. Just like this. And there are some shower type handles. Let's do this. Like, take deep breath. Deep breath. So cute. And if you can even do it like this. Put it back here. Or you can wear it just like this because of its very. So I even show you the real one. You must see it. Okay? And then I showed you this too, but I didn't show you this. And this is a syringe, as you can see, and it is now. Let's take some blood from you. Dolly, should I? No, you're so cute, I can't. Look at that. Now time for it. What about 8 ml? 8, now 9, 10, 2. Okay then. Let's do it from here. I think the 8 is now time to give some medicines to you. Perfect. Done. And now one thing is left. Some medicines, and guess what? It gets opened. After seeing it, I remember pens. Remember this type of pens? But eat it. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, you did it? Yes, of course. And you must eat it after sleeping, after eating your breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So have some now. Open it. Why does it fit here? Must, right? Open it. Have it. This is your sauce. What's medicine? Okay, friends. I love this Ariel doll. And you remember Ariel, of course. And this is her just going to her kingdom. See her palace and her. Okay then. We showed you, but time for the bonus now. Okay then. Bonus time, but first we need to clean it up. Our side and everything side. And guess what's the bonus? Bam! This is the bonus. A pen, a Of course. This is where it came from. And see, as usual, there's Little Mermaid here. So big, right? Rapunzel, Belle, Cinderella, Grace, Snow White, Jasmine. I don't know her name, but you must. You can see. And guess what? It actually writes. Let's show you. You must click it over here. And the napkins. I don't have anything for writing, but I have this. I'm gonna write on this. What can I write? Ariel. As you can see it. Just like let's draw flower. Awesome. It actually works, friend. It's a little heavy one, but don't worry. Nothing will happen. Just a little heavy. And I will also show you a trick for drawing flowers after I finish drawing this. It's so heavy. And now, first you need to make like this, and then like this. Do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Done. Just where it's too much space to it. It's not a sun. It's a flower. I told you I will show you a trick. I am showing it. Repeat it. And if you want to buy this, buy it on the Flipkart and not on the plain. You can even buy this doll with the whole set. Just only at the Flipkart. And you can buy on Amazon and other places, but there will be a link in the description, so you need to search too much. Just click the link and you got it. Okay, friends, I love this doll and this pens, and I love that you love it too. But first, I know you have subscribed it. Thank you very much for watching it with me. Bye bye.